Hey kids, remember how we're learning about frames and arrows and we're relating this to addition and subtraction. Okay, so we're relating counting to addition and subtraction, and it is telling us to count by adding 5. So I can simply start using my number grid for this, and I'm going to start at 15, and I know the rule is add 5, so 15, 20, 25, and the next one is 30, they already have that in there, 35, and then 40. Okay. This one is saying fill in the rule, so we have to solve and figure out what the rule is. So I have to look at all of my clues and figure out and relate. Is this addition or subtraction? So when I go from 20 to 18, am I adding or subtracting? I have to ask myself, is 18 less than 20 or more? And it is less than 20, so I automatically know I'm subtracting. In order for me to find out how much I'm subtracting, then I need to start at 20 and go to 18. So basically, I'm solving for the missing number in a subtraction problem. 20 minus, I don't know, equals 18. So I start at 20, 1, 2. So I am subtracting 2 each time. So 20 minus 2 equals 18. 18 minus 2 equals 16, and so on. Now we have to find a rule for number 3 also. And I have to look at the numbers and the clues I've been given. 7, 10, 13. So I have to relate counting to addition and subtraction. 7 is less than 10. So since 10 is more, I know I'm adding. And I'm going to relate this to addition and subtraction. So it's 7 plus what? I don't know. Equals 10. So I start on my number grid at 7 and I stop at 10. 1, 2, 3. So it is add 3. Now what you'll need to do is start at 13 to fill in the missing frames. So I start at 13 and I use my rule to solve the problem. 1, 2, 3, and I get 16. You need to pause your video and fill in the next 2 frames. Okay, I'm finding the rule again. I have to ask myself if I'm counting up or back for addition or subtraction. 90 to 80, well that is less, so I automatically know. Subtract. I am subtracting, I'm taking away. And I can look at my number chart to figure out how many I'm taking away by counting back 10. 90, 80, 70, and that is what they have given us. 90, 80, 70, then 60. You need to pause the video and finish the next 2 frames. Remember, you are subtracting 10. Do not start going up in number. These numbers need to be less. And the last one is make up your own. You can make it as simple or as hard as you want it to. I'm going to add 2. And I'm going to start at 10. 10, and then 1, 2 is 12. 1, 2 is 14. 1, 2, 16. 1, 2, 18. 1, 2, 20. Okay, you need to double check your answers. Good luck.